Hi, here's 3 variations on the paradiddle beat for you. The paradiddle goes right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. The first example we're going to play uses the hi-hat and the snare and the bass drum. So if you're right-handed, put your right hand on the hi-hat, left hand on the snare. Let's try that a little bit slower. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. To improve the sound, you can add an accent into the backbeat. An accent is a louder note than the notes you have been playing before. It's on the bass drum, the first note, and it's on the backbeat of the snare. So, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Work on it and try and build up the speed. And it makes a really nice beat. The second example uses the ride cymbal and the high tom. If you're struggling to do both of these together, then leave the high tom out. So move your right hand up to the ride cymbal, keep your left hand on the snare, and we're going to put the double lefts on the high tom. I'll slow that down. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. You can of course move those doubles around the toms. In the third example, we're going to move the right hand doubles to the toms. Everything else will stay the same for now. Now the double right is going to move to the floor tom. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Speed that up a little bit. Of course you can move those notes to different parts of the kit, so you could move the double right to the high tom or the mid tom. And finally you could combine both of those techniques and move them to different parts of the kit to make your own patterns. Here's a little example of what I mean. You don't have to just stay on the toms, you can also use the hi-hat too. So here's a little improvisation using those techniques. I hope you found that helpful and useful. If you have, please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, pop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to get back to you. Thanks for watching.